Hey guys, it's your African Grocery Connect, Uchechi Samuel. Today, I'm sharing what it was like for me when I first got to Germany and how I navigated grocery shopping and cooking. Now, when I first got here, just before the pandemic in 2019, I think I was kind of lost. It felt like I had my head in the clouds. I especially missed our Nigerian meals that has, depth of flavors and the familiar leafy greens like ugu, scent leaves, oha leaves, utazi, water leaf, ukazi, you name it. So I remember the day after I landed in Berlin, I went out with my husband to a mall, to look around and take in the city. Then we got rice at this restaurant. It looked like fried rice but without the veggies. And this was supposedly spicy according to the vendor selling the food. I tasted this meal and it was just like I tasted pepper. It was bland. That was one of my welcome to Germany moments. I just thought even white rice boiled with only salt and red oil in Nigeria will definitely taste better. Anyway, I knew there and then that finding a way to cook and eat good food in this place was going to be interesting. I remember the first time I attempted to make jollof rice with the ingredients I could find at the normal German grocery store. I basically cooked oatmeal. That was what it was, because the rice was so soggy like pap. It didn't have the deep red color, jollof would normally have. It was a mess, to say the least. And then I tried making Nigerian stew for the first time. It didn't bang at all. I had not found out the African grocery stores around, so I didn't know the things I could use as substitutes from the normal grocery store. So it was just, it didn't taste nice, honestly. Another shock I had, was how the chicken was so different in taste and texture. Like if you cook it for say more than 20 to 30 minutes, it literally falls apart in the pot. I'm not kidding. Until I discovered that there is a type of chicken called soup and horn that tastes a bit like our chicken in Nigeria. So I use this particular one when I mostly want to make chicken pepper soup, or I want to achieve something close to that Nigerian taste in food. And now, not to also mention the struggle to find turkey. Anyway, gradually I started finding out the African stores, learning about things that I could use as substitutes from the German grocery stores, different ways of cooking. For example, when I wanted to use the soft chicken to make soup or stew, I would usually marinate and bake it in the oven so it doesn't fall apart. I discovered different rice types and textures as I tried out, and as I tried them out, and I used different types depending on what I'm making. Anyway, this was my journey. It was an interesting one. It's been an interesting one, learning new things, unlearning some stuff, and finding ways to achieve something close to our native Nigerian meals here in Germany. So let me know in the comments how you navigated the food and grocery as an African in Germany. Today, I will leave you with God's word from Isaiah chapter 40, verse 18 in the Passion Translation. It says, "Who even comes close to being compared to God? How could you ever compare God to an idol?" First, I want to tell you that there is a God, and even if you don't believe it, He made you and me. Now, if you read the whole chapter of Isaiah 40, you will see how God is described. most important thing is that he wants a relationship with you, whether you didn't know him before or you knew him before and fell out of the way. Now imagine having this God described in this chapter as your person, your friend. What a life that is. So today I'm encouraging you to take that step of faith, and develop a relationship with God, and you'll see how much this God will do with your life. So God bless you. And don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel by clicking the button below to see more videos. I post new videos every Wednesday. Thank you for watching. Bye.